And now we can block in the light mask, shadow mask, right? Like this, right? I create my first layer of graphite. Actually, the light probably is coming a little bit more from the side, right? Just to be precise, just to be more accurate. So the light, let's say, comes from here, right? A little bit more flat, right? Like that, right? So now all this part in here is going to be light mass. All this part in here is going to be shadow mass. And I can block in just, if you notice here, how many values do I have? I have 1, iron 1, 2, 3, 4 values. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 values are sufficient to establish a good sense of three-dimensionality in any object, from a cube to a sphere to the human body, right? Because they start giving me an idea of top, bottom, side, and back, right, of the figure, and I can start establishing the three-dimensional characteristics of the figure right away with just a minimum of effort, right? So think in terms of these 4 values, right? The lightest, the medium light, the medium dark, and the darkest. So light, medium light, dark, darkest. All right, so now here, the core shadow, unlike in this case in here where we have this regular width, right? In this case in here, the core shadow will widen up, simply because up here, the circle is smaller here, right? Cut it here, right? And here the circle is bigger, creating a wider circumference, right? So the curvature is in here will be tighter, and here is going to be wider, right? So here we have now, considering this, we could start blocking in the next value here, and taking care to widen it up, the core shadow, as we move down toward the base of the cone. See that?